So this is chapter 14, lesson 5. I'm going to go ahead and enlarge it so you guys can see. It says shared attributes of quadrilaterals. And again, quadrilaterals means four sides, a shape that has four sides and four angles. Okay, let's look at the example number 1. It says the diagram shows how quadrilaterals are related. What attributes are shared by both rectangles and squares? Okay, well, all the shapes right here, they have how many sides? 4. So quadrilaterals, they have four sides and four angles. That's pretty much the same for everyone. Okay. However, a trapezoid only has one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Okay. A parallelogram has how many pairs? Two pairs. The bottom and the top, and then the right and the left. Okay. Opposite sides are the same length, meaning that the top side is the same length as the bottom side. The left side is the same length as the right side. Okay. And both angles are the same size, the opposite angles. So this angle right here is the same size as the opposite angle across from it. Okay, a rectangle, you're right. Opposite lengths are opposite sides are the same length. It has four angles, but those are right angles because of the little box in the corner, and it has four sides as well. A rhombus, all the attributes of parallelograms. So all the attributes of this, meaning it has four sides, opposite sides are the same length. Okay, opposite angles are the same size, and then all four sides are the same length. It's like a square, but tilted. All right. So let's keep moving. So rectangles and squares show the following attributes. Opposite sides are the same length. Okay. Both pairs of blank sides are parallel. Both pairs of the opposite sides. Okay, and there are how many right angles? 4. So it looks something like this. Okay, so opposite sides are the same length. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, and then there are 4 right angles. The example number 2 says a parallelogram has opposite sides that are the same length, and both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So what that means is the top and the bottom are the same size and length, okay, and they're parallel to each other. They're side by side without crossing. The left and the right side are also parallel, and they have the same length. Okay, it also has opposite angles that are the same size. So this angle right here is the same length, same size as the opposite angle, the angle right across from it. It says draw an example of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Okay, what's one example that we know for sure? Trapezoid. That's one. That's not a quadrilateral because that's a triangle that has 3 sides. But look what the direction says. One that is not a parallelogram. So if we drew a trapezoid, that would be one. Is that one? That's a quadrilateral. There's 1, 2, 3, and then this side right here is 4. Doesn't have to be a perfect shape. It could be anything. And then classify the quadrilateral you drew. Well, to classify it, Okay, to classify it, it has four sides. Okay, it has four sides. It has four angles. The one that I drew, and this one right here. This one right here, okay, has one pair of parallel lines, okay? Number one, okay, just tell me, let's just discuss this. It says name one attribute that a square has that a rhombus does not have. Excellent. A square has right angles. Okay. All right. Two says draw an example of a quadrilateral that is not a rhombus. Well, if I draw a square, okay, if I draw a rectangle, those are examples. And let's see what they have. Yep, a rectangle. And you're right. Somebody just said a rhombus does not have four right angles, so four right angles would be it. Okay, look at number three. Okay, complete the attributes of a rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel. Good. Okay. Also, they are the same length, right? But you can say they're parallel. Let's see what they have. Yeah, parallel. Okay, opposite angles are the same size. The same size. And the figure has blank sides that are the same length. Has four sides that are the same length. Name three other quadrilaterals that have all the attributes of a parallelogram. Well, what's another shape that has four sides that opposite sides are the same length, okay, and it has two pairs of parallel lines? A rectangle? Let's see what they have. Yep, a rectangle, and obviously a square and a rhombus. Both of those are it. So for number four, we said a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. But number five says name another quadrilateral that has all the attributes of a rectangle. So it has to have four sides, four right angles, okay, and then opposite sides have to be the same length. Who would that be? Just a square. And then just draw an example of a quadrilateral that is neither a square, a rectangle, or nor a rhombus. It's go ahead and draw it. So if I was going to draw something like this, wait, that's not it. Like this, like this, like this. Wait, let's do it again. Like this, like that, and like that. That would be one. It has four sides, so that would be a quadrilateral. Does it have to be perfect? No.